Okay, so can we talk about it? Because for a nakshatra to not be the main character of their own lunar eclipse is crazy, but that's exactly what we're looking at. On this lunar eclipse on the 3rd of March 2026, okay, so it is the Purva Palguni full moon and the lunar eclipse. Now, the lunar eclipse and the full moon, they're going to happen within a few hours of each other. So the lunar eclipse is going to happen around about 6 in the morning, like 6:13, something like that. And the full moon is going to be happening at 11:38 a.m. Okay. Now,